Welcome back to Something Adventurous. I'm William Pierman and I'm here with Dan the Man today, and we're back in Osage country. We're here to get some Osage slabs. So it's great to have you on this adventure, and we're gonna get up here, get up the trail we cut the other day, and work on cutting some nice slabs out of that Osage tree that you saw us cut up a few episodes ago. We finally made it back to the site of the Osage log that we were processing the other day on that previous video, which if you haven't seen it, you can watch it here. Took us a little longer than expected to get back here. We had a couple setbacks, one of which we were not able to get the trailer all the way back here on the trail. It wasn't wide enough, so the turns were a little too sharp for it, but we've got the orange taco back here. We've got the Alaska chainsaw mill here, and we're ready to make some Osage slabs. We're back at the site of the log. Here I am with the Osage log that we processed last time. As you can see, this is what we're gonna be trying to mill today. Yeah, it's big and it's kind of down in this hole here, so we're gonna have to try to move it over here. We're gonna get a come along, hook into this log and try to drag it out right here, a more appropriate spot for milling. Come along, I'll pull it. Just pull this. We got this Osage log about where we want it now. I'm gonna go get the axe so we can take a couple smaller branches, drive them in beside the log to hold it steady while we mill it. We're about to have some Osage slabs. Now we're going to use this aluminum ladder to make our first cut with the mill. Good thing we have those masks on, I'm telling you. We got our first cut done. Now we have a flat surface to mill the rest of the slabs on top of. Should we just go 2?
Osage Slabs.
We're back at the trailhead. We've got all of our beautiful Osage wood loaded. Got the four-wheeler loaded. My camera died right after we cut that last slab, so I apologize that I didn't get much good footage after that, but as you can see, we have two beautiful Osage live edge slabs here, and they're gonna make some beautiful tables and countertops. We also got some more end cuts to use for cutting boards. And I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to the youngest member of the Something Adventurous team.
July 31st, 2019. She was out in Washington with me. Got her in September, October. She is a German short-hair pointer. I took her pheasant hunting in eastern Washington when she was 5 months old, and she has 23 points, and she's a good girl. Molly, show them how good you are. She's a good friend. She goes basically everywhere with me.
I just had another Corona road dinner, a little bit more pizza after that Osage slabbing operation, and we're finally on the road back to the home base again. And we want to thank you all for joining us on another adventure. We hope to soon be able to bring you along on the process of finishing these slabs that we've been working with for the last couple days.
A lot of work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work that goes into these things, but it's going to be worth it when we get them finished out, and we can't wait for you guys to see what they turn into. But we're going to hit the road back to the shop. It's been another great day. We hope all of you are having great days, and don't forget to do something that makes you feel alive, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Thank you all, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us a lot. If you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment, we'd really appreciate it. All right, we'll see you on the next adventure.